Hey guys, today we're going to be recommending 5 of the best upsell apps for your Shopify store. So, if you have a Shopify store, you are going to want to increase your sales, right? And the best way to do that is do some upselling. And you can do that through apps in Shopify. So the first thing that you want to do is go to Add Apps here. And you can see some apps, but you want to go to the Shopify App Store. And you can see some recommended apps that you can browse through, but the apps that we're going to be talking about is, well, already opened here for me, but you can just manually search for them here. For example, the first one we're talking about is Lucky Orange. So Lucky Orange Heat Maps and Replay is sort of an information gathering tool. So it provides your Shopify store with a heat map that looks like this, and this is going to tell you how your customer acts while they are in your store. So for example, this heat map shows that the blog is being clicked quite a lot. The shop button now here is being clicked, and also these links are also being clicked. So this is more for informational purposes, and that's why even though they have the purchasable months here, depending on the traffic that your shop is getting, you might want to stick with a free plan. If you can stretch that for about a month or two, that would be ideal, just to gather some information on how your customers are acting or how your customers are navigating your shop. And based on that, you can make some adjustments to your shop's design, your UX, and make it easier for your customers to navigate your shop. So that is one. And the next thing that we're going to talk about is Bundler. So Bundler gives you a little bit of upselling in the form of special offers, in special bulk offers. So for example, if we view the demo store here, let's say the customer is looking at this particular wedding cake, you can add some, with Bundler, you can add something like this: buy in bulk and get a discount. So they get some special offers if they buy more items than they would initially wanted to buy. So basically, buy more and save more. So this is basically incentivizing your customer to purchase more items for even bigger discounts. And you can use Bundler for this one. So, and the next app that we're going to be talking about is Sticky Add to Cart Booster Pro. So Sticky Add is just giving your shop a little more ease of use. So what this does is, if we view the demo store here, what this does is adds various widgets like the quick buy button, which would take them straight to the checkout process, the add to cart button from wherever, and like a sticky cart icon to access their carts from anywhere. So this is basically making your Shopify store a lot easier to use. And of course, if your shop is easy to purchase from, people are going to be coming back for more. Unfortunately, this does not have a free plan, but this is very useful. Next one is Sweet Upsell. This is more of a literal upselling kind of thing. So if you view the demo page here, we can see that if the customer, for example, has already purchased an item, their reward is possibly a special offer, and they can get discounted items or discounted prices for some of the items of your choosing here, which results in either of two things. The customer is going to make another purchase, or the customer is going to remember your shop and come back next time. And the last one will be Judge.me. So Judge.me is an app that allows you to get product reviews for your catalog. So for example, if you are selling an item that is also being sold on AliExpress or Alibaba, If there are reviews on that particular item for those shops, this will allow you to import those product reviews into your Shopify store. And this will give you a little more sense of trustworthiness and legitimacy for your store, which would, of course, result in a higher likelihood of people buying from your store. So these are the 5 best upsell apps on Shopify. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.